Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Imovie and creating a new project, then import the audio and video you'll edit. Once imported, drag your video onto the timeline and drag audio beneath it, or right-click the clip and choose Detach Audio to separate embedded sound. You do this so you can treat sound independently from visuals. It gives you precision. Make sure to name tracks and trim rough ends now, because cleaning the timeline before detailed edits speeds everything up and avoids accidental shifts later. Once your clips are separated, locate precise edit points with the skimmer and split clips with Command+B. You'll remove noise or pauses this way. Then click the audio clip to reveal the volume line and drag it up or down to balance levels. You can type a value if needed. Use the fade handles at each end to avoid abrupt starts and stops. You do this because balanced levels and gentle fades make dialogue clear and natural, while preventing jarring volume jumps for the listener. Finish by selecting an audio clip and opening the audio adjustments. Enable noise reduction and adjust the percentage to tame background hiss, then apply the equalizer preset or custom EQ to clarify voices. Once done, listen through the full timeline and match levels across clips using gain or normalize to achieve consistent loudness. When ready, export with appropriate quality settings for your platform. If something sounds off after export, replay both the original and exported files to compare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.